right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Malaysia. This is A1, and this is abalone noodles. It's abalone delicious. Is that a thing? I hope so. So the way you cook this is interesting. So we'll go and let you watch the whole thing. So there's the noodle, or the water. So we're gonna drop the powder base in first. I found this at H Mart, and I've had a previous version that came from overseas. Somebody sent it, I can't remember who, but that was years ago. And whoever it was who did send it, thank you again. Okay, so what you do is you add this in. There's the powder base. And then we've got this big retort pouch. And what you're supposed to do is put in the liquid from this. Because this also has abalone. But it says add in the liquid. And get it going until the strong aroma happens. Now, I'm not gassy right now, so yeah. And then once the strong aroma develops, then you add in the noodles and you cook for 3 minutes. Let's see, we have a... That's pretty strong already. It's very salty smelling. The noodle is in a pouch of its own. So I'm just gonna put it down. So that's gonna go for 3 minutes. Does it matter? I just follow the directions. Whether it matters or not isn't really, up to me. That's the way they want you to cook it. That's the way I figure you ought to. But yeah, it's just about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Playing games with the sun insofar as where I can do my, when I do my lighting for taking photos. And yeah. Kind of trying to tease these noodles out. They're not, they are fried noodles. I hope you're having an enjoyable day wherever you are. I know it's April for you, which means for me at that point it's November 21st for me. But in April, that's when the top 10 global list comes out. So that'll be coming out for you to see very soon. Usually I do it the Monday closest to the 20th of April. So we will see when that occurs. So what I'll do is I'll do this one, and then after I try it like this, then I'm gonna let it. Then I'm gonna garnish it, and then I'll bring it back and I'll try the abalone, so you can go, oh look, he ate an abalone. If that's something you're interested in seeing, I surely hope you are. Because that's, boy, what excitement, folks. I mean, really, when you think about it, just think about it. Not too hard. Me. It's almost done. At least this aspect is almost done. gonna try it like this. In about 15 seconds. Wow, I'm beat. I really gotta, since my wife got back to work, I started doing more walking again. Last week I did like 100 and some odd thousand steps. That's a lot compared to what I was doing. But that's okay. Alright, so this soup and broth is ready. I want to try it this way. That noodle's great. Broth is not an extremely deep colored broth, but as you can see. It's good. Kind of like a chicken abalone thing going, I think. So let's garnish this and then I'll do the beauty shots after the abalone has been beautified and all that, and then I'll bring it back and have some abalone for you. Does that like fun, folks? Of course it does. You'll enjoy that. So, let's see. I don't know about this music. This is a playlist that I made a long time ago that sometimes I'll pop back in and then run away from. A little bit of that. A little bit of sesame seed. Not a lot. A little bit. A little bit of crushed red. Now, here comes our abalone. It's got two of them. That's a score. The last time I had this, it only had one. Yeah, that's a couple little abalones. These are things that have to be like incredibly visible too. There's that. I think that's gonna be good for this one. Here, let me put this over here. I'm gonna take shots real quick. So take a couple pictures real quick. This stuff's pretty hot, so let's get back over here. There we go. So there are our abalone. So yeah, there's two of them. Come on. Abalone. Cheers. very chewy. She was a little softer. I don't think that's their way. It matches very well with the broth, and it's quite nice. The noodle has a very good chewiness and backbone to it too. And for a fried noodle, that's quite nice. I would say this is definitely in my higher end enjoyed fried noodles. Yeah. So they make this one, and they also make laksa. They make a fried noodle one and a rice vermicelli one. I found the rice vermicelli one at H Mart as well, but this one has the noodle in it, so yeah. Anyways, good stuff. Definitely something to try. Abalone kind of is just like think of like clam, but also think of chicken, because usually it's like chicken abalone is a very popular flavor pairing, and it works really well. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.